absolute value. Did we talk absolute value before?
Yeah.
Write this on top of your paper, absolute value. Anybody remember what absolute value is? Probably not. So let's just write it down. Absolute value is the distance a number is from 0. So, if and by the way, the absolute value sign is this. Just a straight up and down little goalpost looking things. Let's see, I've got -8 in absolute value signs. I don't like this. Can I get rid of this? -8 in absolute value signs. What would the answer to that be? Well, let's look at it in terms of a number line here. What's this? 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. How far, what is the distance from -8? How many units is it from -8 to 0? How many units is that? Do I have to count them? Cameron?
8.
8. The absolute value of -8 is 8. And you can just write 8 for that. Well, what if I gave you +8? What is the absolute value of +8? Or how far is +8 from 0, Alex?
8 spots.
8. Here is where most people make their mistakes with absolute value. They think because -8 absolute value becomes +8, they think it just changes it to its opposite, and that's not true. It does change negative numbers to their positive counterparts, but if it's already positive, it really doesn't change it at all. It just stays 8. Okay, so the absolute value of 15 is 15. The absolute value of -15 is +15, because distance can never be negative. You can never walk a -1 mile. Distance is always positive. Even if you're walking backwards, you're still just going backwards, but you're walking a positive distance. It's like time. You can really never go back in time. Unless you're back to the future. Maggie?
You can count 0.
But 0 wouldn't count as a space. If you're going to 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what do you mean if you count 0. 0 is not a unit, it's a starting point. So, that I thought was pretty exciting. That's probably, well, look at, let's look at page number 10 as well. Let's see if we can't figure some stuff out here. Are you there?
Yeah.
Look at problem number 19. The book says for problem number 19, the absolute value of n equals 5. The absolute value of n equals 5. The question is, what two numbers could n be? I don't sound Logan?
-5 and 5.
Correct, -5 and 5. Because if you put a -5 in there, it becomes +5. If you have +5, it stays +5. What else is there? How about the problem number 24? What is the opposite of 10? Do we have to go over opposites? No? Opposites just are the negatives or the positives. How about problem number 28? -7 is a member of which of the sets of numbers above there? Page 11. Is it a counting number? Is it a whole number? Is it an integer? Is it none of these? Is it all of these? Is it more of those? -7 is a?
All of them.
It is not all of them. -7 is not a whole number. Whole numbers are only. Taylor? It is, letter C, an integer. What about number 30? 1/3 is a member of what? Which of those sets of numbers? 1/3? No.
Irrational number.
What's that?
Irrational.
Rational is not one of the choices. Look, they give you choices. Wait, you're looking at number problem 30?
Oh.
Your choice is either counting, whole, integer, or none of these. Do you see rational there? So which one is it? None of the above. Okay. I'm about ready to stop. Can I stop? What about 16? What's bigger, -3 or -2? Yeah, is it better to be 3 in the hole or 2 in the hole? Owe somebody $3 or $2? Just so you know, problem number 1 on page number 9, if it says the graph on a number line, that's kind of just all you gotta do is do the little line there. Put a little dot where the number should be. What does it say there? -5, 3, -2, and 1. So you got -5. Does it say -3?
No, just
-2, 5, 4, 3, 2. Just put your dots, your numbers on. Perfect. Good. Stop. I'm done. So your assignment for tomorrow